Don't cross the road. So we are here in the old church. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Lagi ka mo doon? Wala, di sa ano, pintura, di sa pwede man na pintura nila.
There's a lake. It's becoming big. There's a lake. Isn't me? This is getting bigger.
So continue go up.
Mga kuring sila.
Yeah.
Mga kuring sila.
Yeah. Do you see that old church, boy? See something about the old church?
I don't know anything about old church. Someone's
The-
there. Wait, is that entrance here? For the old
That
church?
was built by the France.
What? Let's
Yeah.
go inside.
Yeah.
Is it
Just
like
wait first. Wait. Just wait first. Old church. Ooh, sweat. Oh, careful! It's slippery. Slippery. Oh, boy, there's a division. The sound is good. When you speak, it's echoes.
What's on here?
But it's there. Oh, another room. The old church. Here. There. Here.
With so much nature in the room.
This is what inside the old church.
So much nature.
Yeah, so much.
Hello.
Are you sure? See, because it's nice, it's echoes. Yeah, let's try. Let's see what is there. Go slowly. Your chigo na.
No. Why every time I dream of something?
Wow, nice shot here. We'll take picture later.
Kami gid man.
Yeah, upstairs. Yeah, the background is there. I saw that in the YouTube and in the Google.
Where?
Ang picturean nila nga diri is babaw kita no in church. Old church.
Ma! Ma! Ma!
Okay lang eh.
Papangi, ada siya. Okay lang na ya.
Igulang naman na iya.
That's we call of nature. Oh wow, so nice oh.